So now that I've started this back up into the body, I need to do it up. So ultimately I can do that up by hand until I get to the nylon O-ring. Once I reach the nylon O-ring, that means it's hitting the taper on the seat, and I'll need a little bit of extra tension on it, or torque, to be able to squash it into the taper. So wind it up, and like I said, it's a fine thread. This is coarse, that was fine. So therefore it'll take it quite a bit more to wind it into place. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to torque this into place by squashing that O-ring. So it's not going to take excessive force to do that. So I'm squashing the O-ring into the seat now, like so. Slide it back over, and there it is, it's back in the seat. So remember what I said, there's a pin that has to go through here and marry with the flat section of this particular cylinder wall. So how do I find that? Well, what I need to do is apply some force now until it has a sufficient torque to either flatten it out or bring it back. So the beauty of this is I can now turn this cylinder wall in the housing according to the taper requirement. That seal is going to seal this cylinder up in there, and I need to get that pin back in, because this pin is the only keeper for this entire cylinder wall.